In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making real money online with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start earning passive income online with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, the first thing you want to do is to go over to this website, gumroad.com. And for those who don't know, gumroad.com allows you to sell digital products online and you make money. However, I'm going to show you how to use this platform to make money without selling any products. All you need to do is to come over to the start selling button and you want to create an account. As you can see right here, you can create an account with Facebook, Google, Twitter, Stripe, and you can use email as well. So once you create an account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And all you need to do is to go to products. So once you click on product, you want to click on this new product. And now the next step is to go to freeplrdownloads.com. This platform allows you to download any of these PLR ebooks for absolutely free without copyright issues. All right. So once you come over to this platform, you want to pick a niche. So I'm going to go with the self-help niche as an example. So once you click on that, as you can see, these are a bunch of products that I can use from this niche for free. So I'm going to take this first product as an example, understanding your life's perspective. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to a page where you can download this ebook for absolutely free. All you need to do is to click on the download button. So once you download the ebook, you want to come over to this website, searchda.com, to edit this ebook. And don't worry, I'm going to show you what you need to edit in this ebook. So all you need to do is to upload the ebook. So once you upload the ebook right here, the next thing you want to do is to go back to your Cpagrip account to create a content locker. You want to make sure to come over to the URL file locker section, and here you can use any template of your choice. And now for the logged URL section, you want to go to YouTube. So once you come over to YouTube, you want to type in understanding your life perspective, which is the name of this ebook. All right. So once you type that on YouTube, you want to make sure to come over to the filter section and you want to go with Creative Commons videos. So once you do that, as you can see, this is a video that we are going to be locking right here. So all you need to do is to come over and grab a snipping tool to screenshot the thumbnail of this video. So now once you save it to your device, then you want to grab the link to this video by clicking on the share button. So now once you copy the link to this video, you want to go back to the logged URL section and you want to paste in the link to this YouTube video right here and you want to click on save. So now the next step is to go over to canva.com and you want to come over to this custom size and you want to type in 1000 by 1000. All right. So once you type in 1000, you want to click on create new design. So once you do that, you want to upload the image you just screenshot. So once you upload the image, you want to drag it and drop it somewhere around the screen like this. And now you want to grab a text from here and you want to type in click to watch the full video. You want to go to the element section and you want to type in play button. As you can see, you are going to see a lot of play buttons you can use. So I'm going to take this one as an example. All right. So once you do this, this is all you need to do right here. And from here, you want to save this image. So once you save this to your device, then you want to go back to searchda.com. So once you come over to searchda, all you need to do is to click on images and you want to upload that image. So you want to paste in the image right here, something like this. So once people open this ebook, they are going to see this image right here and they are going to see where it says click to watch the full video. All you need to do from here is to add a link, and this is where you want to go back to your Cpagrip account and grab your content locker link. So once you grab your content locker link, you want to come to where it says links. So once you click on link here, you want to highlight this section like this. This is where you want to paste in your content locker link. All right, as you can see right here. So you want to do this same thing across this PLR ebook, at least in 5 places. Okay, so once you do this, this is all you need to do and you want to click on apply changes. So once you click on apply changes, you can preview the ebook. As you can see, this is the first page. If I go down, this is the second page. As you can see right here, once people start reading through this ebook, they're going to see this video. And if they click on this, it's going to take them to your content locker. All you need to do from here now is to download this ebook. So once you download this ebook, then you want to go back to your Gumroad account. So you want to type in the name of the product right here and you want to select ebook. So once you select the ebook, you want to give the ebook a price. So you want to type in $0 and you want to click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this page. So you want to scroll down to where it says upload cover. and you want to upload the cover of the ebook. So if you open the folder of the ebook, you're going to see where it's going to say e-cover, and you want to upload that. So once you upload your ebook cover, as you can see, everything looks good. All you need to do from here is to just click on save and continue. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to click on publish. So as you can see right here, it has published this product to Gumroad. So once you do that, you want to copy the URL and you want to paste this in a new tab. So once people come over to this page, as you can see, they are going to see this product, and if they come over here and click on I want this, so once they click on that, as you can see, it's going to bring them to this page. And now, as you can see, once they type in their email address right here, they click on get, they are going to get this ebook. And keep in mind, once they open this ebook and they start reading this ebook, they are going to see our content locker right here, which if they click on it and complete CPA offers, they are going to get access to watch the video. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic and make money. So you want to go over to Reddit and you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in free ebook. So once you type in free ebook, you want to come over to communities. So once you come over here, as you can see, there are a lot of subreddits about free ebook freebies, as you can see right here. So we are going to take this one here as an example, free ebooks. So now once you click on this subreddit, make sure to follow their rules right here. Okay, so now you want to click on create post. So once you do this, you want to come over to this section that says flare, and you want to click on this and you want to choose the most suitable category for this product. Since our product is in the self-help category, you want to click on self-help right here. So once you click on self-help, you want to click on apply, and this is where you want to paste in the title of this product. And you want to come over here and type in PDF. All right. So once you do this, you want to grab the link to this ebook from your Gumroad account. So you want to grab your Gumroad link. All you need to do is to paste in the link here and you want to click on post. So this is all you need to do, and you want to upload as many ebooks as possible. And just like I showed you earlier, this is a very simple strategy. All you need to do is to download the product freeplrdownloads.com, create a content locker link, and all you need to do is to post it on Reddit. And keep in mind, most traffic on Reddit is from United States, and that means you're going to make a lot of money. So this is a very simple strategy any beginner can get started with and make money online.